Hello and welcome to Simply Sport with me Neeraj Prabhu. In our century edition of Simply Sport, I have with me the coach of Goan Ranji team, Mr. Vivek Koramkar. Hi Vivek, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
Vivek, you were a fantastic captain for Goa and you were known as Mr. Cool as a batsman, as an opener. Now you have been promoted to the rank of coach. Big matter of pride, is it?
Yeah, it's really a matter of pride because to coach a senior team straight away, it's pride indeed.
Right. Just going back to the circumstances in which you are given this coaching role. Normally, as a coach, people come, have meetings, and then they are, mentally ready to take up a job. But this case, as everybody knows, it was all of a sudden when Mr. Raghuram Bhatt resigned and you were given the task to mentally prepared ashilo ya challenge khadir.
Look, I was with the team as assistant coach for Raghuram Bhatt.
Yeah.
And so I know what was the thing, like how the camp was going on and how the players' fitness was. So it was not a problem for me to handle the team straight away.
Okay.
Because I was mentally prepared for everything.
Yeah. Okay, fine. As an assistant coach in the pre-season, basically Raghuram Bhatt just had taken over just ahead of the pre-season. So you were under him as an assistant coach. In the pre-season, what were the processes started by Bhatt that you would have to carry on? Kire tumi pre-season campaign so far kelle? I also know that you had brought the GC had brought Mr. Prasanna Raman, South African team's video analyst, and हांगा एक बरो high intensity camp जालो video analysis जाले सगळे players. So how was that experience of being under Raghuram Bhatt and going through that nice little intensified camp?
See, the main thing I learned from him was discipline. How the discipline involves in cricket, how it matters in cricket. And after Prasanna Raman had come for video analysis, I learned from him how the planning has to be done. What are the basic things you do in the batsman or in the bowler or in the fielder? Because he basically looked in every aspect of the game. So all that is helping me to take on the program.
Okay. Any example that you can give our viewers of how this high intensity video camp has helped any of the player? Example so that people can just kind of understand how important it is in today's era to have a modern video analyst with the team.
See, the best example I can give you is about Swapnil Asnodkar.
Okay.
So he had changed his stance. He was going down, bending his knees.
Okay.
So I spoke to him the first day when I saw him in the nets. I spoke to him and I told him that this can hamper his footwork. I mean the quickness of the footwork to go on the back foot. He said no, he can adjust it anywhere because he can adjust it. It's mainly important for him to counter the swing. So then later on when Prasanna came, he had made a video analysis of him, and on that he found out that on this this new stance of his, he is getting 0.20 seconds late.
Okay.
0.20 seconds.
Okay.
Which by naked eye we cannot analyze properly.
Right.
Then he realized, Swapnil also realized it, and he changed it to his original previous stance.
Okay. As a assistant coach, you were involved there, and as a player, perhaps you didn't have a benefit of all these things.
Yeah.
So, what was going through your mind, or whether this was available when you were a player? The performance
Could have been much better because when we used to play, we didn't know what the mistakes we are doing. Even the support staff and everything, they were not knowledgeable that much. And now the things which are not easily accessible through naked eye can be done through this video analysis.
Right.
So it could have made a lot of difference for those players that time, including me.
Okay. I want to go back to your playing times. You have played under many other coaches.
Yeah.
As a player, what's the kind of relationship a player shares with a coach?
I feel a player and a coach should share a friendly relationship, because then only a player can easily convey his messages, his weaknesses His worries, everything he can convey to the coach regarding the game, and also his personal things, so that coach can work on his weaknesses and everything. I feel a coach should not be a dictator.
Okay.
That's basically that is the thing, because then the player doesn't feel comfortable to talk to a coach regarding any of his difficulties in the game.
So coach should not be a dictator, you have said, and then some coaches make their discipline a big issue. Disciplined coach म्हणजे dictator अशें एक इक्वेशन लोकांच्या तकलेन असं येता. So how fine balance should a coach strike of being a disciplined coach but not a dictator at the same time? कितें करचें पडटलें?
It's not like that.
तुका कितें करचें पडटलें?
डिसिप्लिन म्हटल्यार डिक्टेटरशिप अशें.
ओके.
डिसिप्लिन म्हटल्यार सादी गोष्ट. एक कॅम्प आमी दवरला, एक 9 o'clock स्टार्ट करता. That player, every player has to report at 9 o'clock.
Okay.
Because if he reports late, rest of them have to wait for him. So हांगाच्यान स्टार्ट जाता. आमी म्हणटात युनिटी आसपाक जाय, कॉम्बिनेशन जावपाक जाय, हे सगळें स्टार्ट जाता हांगाच्यान. सो तेज्या खातीर पूण अशें न्ही की डिक्टेटरशीप आसल्यारूच तूं डिसिप्लीन उरतली अशें नासता. ते प्रत्येक इंडिविज्युअल कसो घेता ते प्रमाणे आसा. म्हणल्यार जो कोच आसा तो कसो आपले मेसेज कन्वे करता प्लेयर्सां कडेन. Depends on all those things.
Okay. As a player that you have played under different coaches, तातून गोवन कोचीस आशिल्ले थोडे ताजे अंडर तूं खेळ्ळो आनी नॉन गोवनूय कोचीस आशिल्ले ताजे अंडर तूं खेळ्ळा. So any differences that you can spot between playing under Goan coach and then playing under non-Goan coach? कितें तुका वेगळेपण जाणवलें?
See, there was only one coach who was outsider at that time, Mr. Jayantila.
Former test player.
Yeah. But I didn't find any difference between him and the other fellows who were there coaching us that time.
Okay.
I mean the Goan coaches, because there was not much technology involved in this field. Now and whatever the planning strategies we used to do means naked eye. आमी जे कितें पळयताले दुसऱ्या टिमीक, आतां कशें आसा, जे कोचीस आसा तांकां खूब काम आसात. म्हणल्यार टॅक्निकल पळोवपाक जाय, स्ट्रॅटेजीज प्लॅन करतलो जाल्यार दुसरे ऑपोजीट टिम्स करून आसात तेंचे आमी व्हिडियोज पळयता, तेंचे विकनसीस आमकां ते व्हिडियोचेर मेळटात. सो तितलें आनी काम वाडलां, एडवान्स जाला सगळें. त्या वेळार ही नाशिल्ली टॅक्नॉलॉजी. सो कितें जाता, जे तुमचे टिमीन जे आसा स्ट्रॉंग पॉयंट, ते स्ट्रॉंग पॉयंट घेवन सगळें करचें पडटलें.
Okay. I was just trying to come to the point that हालीं तेंपार Goa has had outstation coaches, Dodda Ganesh, then we had Rajesh Kamath, then for a very short time we had Raghuram Bhatt, and now you as a homegrown player, you are the coach. So the players that you are having with you now, तांचो आउटलूक तुजे कडेन पळोवपाचो एज अ कोच कसो आसतलो? बिकॉज यू हॅव बीन अ प्लेयर एंड यू हॅव प्लेड विथ सम ऑफ द प्लेयर्स हू आर नाव अंडर यू इन द टीम.
एक्चुअली हो क्वेश्चन म्हाका सगळ्यांनी विचारला, कित्याक मोस्टली सगळे प्लेयर्स म्हज्या अंडर खेळ्ळेले आसा. पूण ज्या दिसा हांवें चार्ज घेतलो कोच म्हणून, स्ट्रेट अवे आय हॅड अ मीटिंग विथ द प्लेयर्स एंड आय कन्वेड माय मेसेज वॉट आय एक्सपेक्ट देम टू डू. सो तेंचे रिस्पॉन्स सगळ्यांचो बरो आशिल्लो. हांवें तांकां क्लियर केलें, आमी पयलीं खेळ्ळे बरोबर आनी आतां आमी परत बरोबर आसात, आनी कोच आनी प्लेयर्स रिलेशनशीप वेगळे आसा. दॅट रिस्पेक्ट हॅज टू बी देर. अशें न्ही की सगळें हांव करतलो, सगळें म्हजेंच डिसिजन आसतलें. तुमी इनपूट दिवपाक फ्री आसात म्हाका. जर ते सारकें आसा, ते पडटा, टिमीच्या बेनिफिटाक आसा जाल्यार ते आमी इम्प्लिमेंट करया. हे कितें आसा, फक्त कोच म्हणून एकटो टीम चलोवपाक शकना. ते सगळ्यांचे कंबायंड एफर्ट जाय, तेन्नाच आमी सक्सेसफूल जातले. ही मेसेज हांवें तांकां पयलीं दिली, आनी आय वॉज हॅप्पी टू सी दॅट एवरीबडी वॉज गिवींग देयर बेस्ट 100%, बिकॉज वी प्लेड अराउंड 3 matches in Bangalore after I took charge, and we won all the 3. The best part was, आमी इवन लंच ब्रेक जाले म्हणल्यार सगळे प्लेयर्स हांवें पळयलें जे आमचे प्लेयर्स कशे आसताले. ते लोले थंय रावले, बसले, सुशेगाद भायर सरले. पूण ना, इवन आमचे यंगस्टर्स आशिल्ले ते वचून नेट्सान बॉलिंग घालताले जर आमी फिल्डिंग करता ते वचून नेट्सान बॉलिंग घालताले which I didn't tell them to do. So it was a good sign actually.
Okay.
They all want to do well.
Right, so that hunger is there in their belly.
Hunger is still there.
I see. Okay. Just one of the former non-Goan coaches had once told me that Neeraj, there is a lot of indiscipline among some certain players in the squad. They are coming together and making group, and they don't want non-Goan coaches at all. They just want a Goan coach and something. Have you ever felt there is some indiscipline there and there's something has to be done about it, or all the boys are really good in discipline?
सेम थिंग न्ही हातूंत जालें प्रत्येकाचो आपलो पॉयंट ऑफ व्यू आसता की तो डिसिप्लीन खंयच्या तरेन घेता.
रायट, इट्स अ रिलेटिव्ह टर्म.
खंयच्या तरेन घेता. मे बी तेंचे एक्सपेक्टेशन वेगळे आशिल्ले प्लेयर्सा कडल्यान जे फुलफील जावन नासतले.
ओके.
और मे बी द वे ही हॅड इंटरेक्टेड विथ द प्लेयर्स वॉज रॉंग.
Okay.
Because I have till today means I am with the team for around a month, but I have not came across to any player who has broken the discipline. Everybody is within the limits.
Yeah.
What is their role on the ground, and everybody is giving their 100%.
Okay.
That is the most encouraging thing for me as a coach.
Yeah, sure. But looking ahead now, we have been saying for last 2-3 years, Goa have to qualify for elite. Goa have to progress because last 2-3 वर्सां पळय स्टॅग्नेशन जालां. आमी बरें खेळटा पूण खंयच्या तरी एक क्रुशियल फेजीर येवन आमी डळमळीत जाता आनी वी लूज दी ऑपॉर्च्युनिटी ऑफ गोईंग इन टू दी एलीट. So now what are you going to do differently so that we go into the elite, or do you genuinely believe first that we have the capacity to go into elite level?
We have the capacity. We have some good players, not some. After these 3 Australian players, all those 3 are good players. One has played for IPL, one has played Chennai. Sarvanan. Then Assam. He had done good job in Assam also.
Okay.
Performed very well. And Abhishek Rawat played for Rajasthan Royals. We have good all-rounders. And माझ्या प्रमाणे एक बरी बॅलन्स टीम आसा.
Okay.
So we have to qualify anyhow because that is our aim.
Yeah.
In fact खंयचीय टीम जी रणजी ट्रॉफी खेळटा तेंचो एक एम आसताच न्ही. सो आमचोय तोच एम आसा. पूण तुवें जशें म्हटलें की फाटल्या 2-3 वर्सान आमी क्वॉलिफाय जावपाक सोदता पूण खंय तरी ते लास्ट मोमेंटाक आमी फाटले फर्स्ट 3 मॅचीस पळय 2-3 सीझन वी हॅव डन वेरी वेल. कळ्ळें. सो मागीरचे 2 सो समवेअर म्हाका खंय तरी दिसता की आमी रिलॅक्स जाता.
ओके.
कित्याक आमी टेबलान टॉप आसा जावं नंबर 2 पोझिशनार आसा तो खंय तरी आमी रिलॅक्स जाता. एक मॅच पुरो आसता कित्याक सगळे टिमी कॉम्पिटिशनान आसा, सगळे कम्पीट करतात की तांकां क्वॉलिफाय जावपाक जाय. पूण म्हज्या ओपिनियना प्रमाणे 5 मॅचीस आमी खेळपाचे आसा क्वॉलिफाय जावपाक. ते 5य मॅची आमी त्याच इंटेन्सिटीन तेच डेडिकेशनान आमी खेळपाक जाय. फूल तितलेच एफर्ट्स आमचे. कित्याक एक मोमेंट एक मॅच आमी खंय रिलॅक्स जाले मॅच गेली. सो हे फाटले 2 वर्सां हेच जाय दिला अशें दिसता.
सो ही इंटेन्सिटी देंवपाक जायना म्हणून कितें तूं एनी स्पेशल मेजर्स यू वूड बी टेकिंग?
Right now, I cannot tell you how the intensity will be after first match or the second match. So I'll have to be with them throughout.
So you have to take it match by match.
We'll take it match by match.
Okay.
We won't say that we'll qualify for sure or everything. We will. पण म्हाका ते बर्डन तेंचेर पयलींच घालपाक नाका की आमकां क्वॉलिफाय जावपाचें आसा.
येस.
प्रत्येक मॅच ही मॅच एक मॅच परफॉर्मन्स दी. आमचे पोझिशनाक बरोबर आसा. सो त्या प्रमाणे हांव ट्रॅक दवरतलो.
Okay. And now a lot of facilities have been created by GCA here, and also a lot of focus is being given on video analysis and stuff like that. Now let us see that how let us focus on how the younger players have developed with this technology. Any young talents that you see having bright future now from at the promotion level? कोणाक रणजी स्टेजीन येवपाक जाय जाल्यार बेंच स्ट्रेंथ आमचे कडेन कशी आसा सद्या?